If you're over 60 and you're struggling to afford groceries, did you know that you could be getting free monthly food boxes? No catch, just real healthy food to help stretch your budget. This is through the Commodity Supplemental Food Program, or CSFP. This program is a lifesaver for so many seniors. It's a federal program that provides free food boxes to low-income seniors who are at least 60 years old. Those boxes include staples like meat, dairy, grains, fruit, and vegetables, all at no cost to you. If you're on a fixed income and you're struggling with grocery prices, this could make a big difference. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true. What's the catch, right? But there is no catch. CSFP is a real government program designed to help seniors get the nutrition they need. You just have to meet a few eligibility requirements to qualify. To get these free food boxes, you must be at least 60 years old and meet income guidelines, which are usually around 150% of the federal poverty level, though that number can vary depending on where you live because each program can set its own rules within what the USDA allows. You also need to be in an area that has a CSFP distribution program. There are distribution programs in all 50 states, but not every county participates. We'll talk about that in just a second. For now, I want you to know that if you qualify, you'll receive a free box of nutritious food every month. This isn't meant to replace all your grocery needs, but it helps stretch your budget by providing key staples. And let's be real, with food prices continuing to climb, every little bit helps, right? So I want to talk for a second about what's in the box. Every year, the USDA updates the commodity food list. And for this year, here's what you can expect to receive. The protein options include canned beef, chicken, and salmon, and peanut butter. That meat will either come in cans or pouches. It's not going to be fresh. There's also dairy, including American cheese and shelf-stable and instant dry milk. You'll also get a variety of fruits and juices like applesauce, peaches, raisins, and 100% juices, including orange, apple, and grape juice. For vegetables, the boxes include canned green beans, carrots, corn, peas, spinach, sweet potatoes, and even dehydrated potato flakes. You'll also get grains like pasta, rice, oats, and grits, as well as legumes such as black beans, kidney beans, lentils, and pinto beans. That's a lot of food. And what you get may vary because each location can choose from that overall list that the USDA provides. But the good news is that it's completely free. Imagine how much money you could save if some of your basic grocery needs were covered for you. So, the important part, how do you apply? It's actually really easy. You just need to contact the CSFP distribution agency in your state. The best way to find this information is to check the USDA CSFP map online. You can click on your state and get the contact details for local agencies that distribute the food. From there, they'll guide you through the application process and let you know what documents you need to provide. If you prefer, you can also reach out to your local senior center or area agency on aging. They can point you in the right direction too. Just remember that each location can set their own rules for this program, right? The income limits and availability might vary a little bit depending on where you live. I've heard that in some places the program will require you to prove residency, which shouldn't be a big deal, or have a doctor say that you're at nutritional risk, which can be a little bit more challenging, but that isn't required in all areas. So if you qualify for CSFP, you might also be eligible for other forms of food assistance as well. For example, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program provides monthly food funds on an EBT card that you can use to buy groceries, and it also opens the door for even more discounts and benefits, right? Many seniors don't realize that just having SNAP can help you get lower internet bills, free phone bills, cheaper Amazon Prime, discounts on utilities, and so much more. You can visit lowincomerelief.com/EBT for all of the details on all of that. Another great food program for seniors is the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program, which gives seniors free vouchers to use at local farmers markets. These vouchers are usually worth about $50, and in some places you can double that amount to get even more free produce. The Emergency Food Assistance Program, which distributes USDA food through food banks and pantries. And for those living in eligible tribal areas, the Food Distribution Program on Indian reservations provides free USDA food to low-income individuals and families. If you're over age 60 and struggling with food costs, I strongly encourage you to look into the CSFP. So many of our viewers and readers have shared their stories about how this program helped them, and it could help you too. I would love to hear from you. Have you used CSFP before? If so, let me know in the comments. And as always, be sure to check out our other videos for more ways to save money and get free food.